Welcome to Daxue Talks, a show powered by Daxue Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010. With Daxue Talks, you will stay up to date with all the latest business updates in China. Every day, you will learn from China-based experts who share their knowledge about the Chinese market in 2 to 5 minutes.
I'm Nicolas Coster. I am a business lawyer, French business lawyer. I have been in China for 16 years. I'm specialized in foreign direct investment. So basically, I set up companies in China and I also sometimes liquidate them.
About IP protection, what is the process to get your brand name protected?
Basically, it's like everywhere in the world. You need to register your trademark in China with what we call the CMTO. This is a Chinese trademark office. The most important thing to know is that in China, the time to register a trademark is in average 14 to 16 months. So as soon as you file it, the better it is.
How do you win an IP lawsuit in China?
Of course, you can win a IP lawsuit in China. The most important is to collect evidence. So you have two ways to do it. Or you do it by yourself and you can go to see the court. And of course, you have the burden of the proof. Or you can ask what we call the Administration of Industry and Commerce to investigate the case for you and to launch an administrative investigation.
Is video considered as evidence in China and can it be used in trial?
Video is evidence in China. If you do a video, what you need to do is to go to see a notary, a Chinese notary, and he will notarize the video and you can use it as evidence to the court.
Can you share any stories of foreign companies failing to protect their IP? What can we learn from them? What are some surprising aspects that foreign films were not aware of that led to blowbacks?
You know, when foreigners start to be interested by the Chinese market, most of them think to register their trademark. Okay, this is not the issue. The issue is most of the time they forgot about the Chinese trademark. So in China, Chinese, they read Chinese. That means when they see Latin characters for the trademark, for them, it does not mean something very important. So most of the time when you are a foreigner and you use Chinese distributor to sell your product in China, they will translate your trademark in China into Chinese. And if you are not careful, if you don't control this translation, if you don't protect the Chinese translation of your trademark as a trademark, the day you break the relationship with your Chinese partners in China, it might be possible that you already registered the Chinese trademark and then your trademark will be transferred to your partners. And Chinese consumer will refer to your trademark with a product of your ex-partners.